This video is covering the final installation steps for the Statement 40XW. So at this point, please make sure that you've completed all the prior steps for the back box to be located in the wall, drywall's been completed, and you're ready for final assembly. After everything has been given 24 hours to dry, you're ready for the final install. Box 3 has everything for the final installation process. First, remove the positioning brackets, the corner brackets, and the side brackets with a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove all 10 screws, securing the positioning board, and carefully remove it from the back box. Double-check there's no sheetrock mud on the interior edge of the metal and sand it away if there is. Apply the top and bottom magnetic trim pieces first, then the sides. After that, secure using the supplied machine screws.
Two people now lift the driver assembly from its packaging using the attached handles and carefully seat it into the back box by guiding the alignment pins into the mounting holes on the box. These should go into each of the 4 holes in the corners.
While one person holds the assembly securely in place, the other should put the machine screws through the openings in the baffle protector to securely attach the assembly into the back box.
Let go only after all the screws have been tightened. Remove the handles and also the plastic baffle protector.
Now secure the screws in the places that were previously covered by the handles. There will be 27 total, including these. In order to establish the electrical connection between the back box and the driver assembly, please insert the included brass contact screws using a Phillips screwdriver. There are a total of 4 of these that need to be installed, 2 on top and 2 on bottom. The holes are directly above the top bass driver and directly below the bottom bass driver. If these screws are not inserted, the speaker will be unable to play. You may notice binding posts located on the front of the driver assembly. These are just for troubleshooting purposes, not normal operation, and can otherwise be ignored. Carefully align the front baffle trim over the drivers and press firmly into place. Use the included badge application template to attach the MartinLogan logo to the front baffle trim. This step is completely optional, but it sure does look cool. If you want to use your speaker grille, gently place it over the front baffle and around the trim. It should snap into place with the magnets. Congratulations! At this point, you've wrapped up the installation for your Statement 40XW, and now it's time to enjoy them. The break-in period is about 72 hours. After 72 hours, you will notice an increase in bass output. For additional Statement 40XW resources, you can find dimension drawings, brochures, product specifications, and a whole lot more at www.martinlogan.com. Any further questions, please reach out to us at sales@martinlogan.com.